This Techgamer BB guys, and I'm gonna show you how to get tweaked apps and paid apps for free on iOS 14 and iOS 13 and iOS 12. No jailbreak, no computer. First of all, you want to go to settings, you want to go to Wi-Fi, and then you want to hit this I, and then what you're gonna do is, I can't show you because it's show my IP address. You're gonna do that, and then you go get on the proxy, and then you want to turn that off. And then once you've done that, then you go to this site. I'll have this site in the description for you guys. Go to this site, and then you look at, like, you want Spotify Plus, you hit it, and then you hit get, you hit install. Oh wait, I have to redo it. You install, download, back at the home screen. Should begin installing here. Might take a while, I don't know why it's taking so long. I guess we can try a different one. I don't know. Oh, me, because I did download twice, my fault. And it begins downloading. And then say once that's downloading, you want something else, like Delta emulator. So GBA emulator, hit install, hit download. That should begin installing too. And then say you want something else. You need no computer to do this also, I forgot to say that. Say you want, so you go to apps, you go to paid and other apps, you can download some of these too. But you could just go here. You could go Clash of Clans hack, you can do all this stuff. TikTok plus plus, you can hit get, install, download. It looks like that's installed, looks like Spotify. Then you have to go to settings, then general, then profiles and device management, and then hit trust for Delta emulator on Spotify. And I will show you Spotify plus plus works perfectly. And you get unlimited skips, no ads, extreme sound quality, and all that. And that's that. And then Delta emulator is like a GBA emulator, and you can download games, GBA, Nintendo, and all. Oh no, you can download Nintendo, Super Nintendo, Nintendo 64, Game Boy Color, Game Boy Advance, all that, and you can play. It's pretty awesome. And then you go out, and then it looks like TikTok plus plus is installed, and you'll be able to download videos for free and stuff. It looks like, I don't know why that one doesn't work. Must be revoked or something. But these other two work, and that is a video, guys. Hope you guys subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.